So I wrapped my tires with conveyor belt. It's some type of woven material. It's super strong. I have one off to demonstrate as to see how it disturbs the soil, whether you're on lawn or whatever. It's pre-spinning. It's almost like when you spin, you're done. You've been there, and sure, anybody working dirt, you got to bed your passes in a way. But with this material here, it beds itself, so it saves a lot of time. You can get deeper and still back out. You can push more, and you also don't have to worry about the lawn as much. So it's working for me for now, and it may even be better than an actual smooth tire, which is going to suck, because that's what I really wanted to do, was get a new set of rims and get some 20-inch smooth tires.